Want to build detailed mind maps, flowcharts, and diagrams in just a few seconds without staring at a blank screen? In this video, we are looking at Miro's AI-powered workspace and how you can use it to map out your ideas instantly. Miro is designed as a collaborative hub where you can pull in outputs from other AI tools like Claude or Notebook LM directly onto one visual canvas. From there, you and your team can instantly turn those ideas into structured diagrams, roadmaps, and visual workflows. With over 6,000 templates and 250 integrations, it acts as the central visual layer for your projects. Now, to be completely transparent, we have limited independent user reviews in our database for this specific AI feature set today, but major companies using Miro report up to 50% shorter planning process and much faster times to market. It is highly visual, requires no credit card to get started, and helps you stop jumping between disconnected tools. If you want to streamline your brainstorming and visual planning, head over to Miro.com to try it for free, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.